Hello everyone, this is Billy once again. Welcome back to our video coaching on how to get rid of possible complaints. Let's move on to situation 2, begin with class late. Some tutors may frequently get such complaint. Maybe they got connection problems or they got some problems in the student's end, but they failed to tell CS to test with them. So today I'm going to tell you what to do to get rid of or avoid possible lateness for your classes. Right thing to do is to call the student 1 or 2 minutes in advance, because it will take time to connect with the student. For example, here in this class table, this class is supposed to begin at 8 PM. So right now it's time for me to call the student in QQ. It's just 7:58, so it means you will still have time to test your connection and see if it's okay. If not, please click CS Assistance button without any hesitation. What you shouldn't do is to say hello to a student at class time and then ask, are you ready? We cannot use our class time to try to fix our connection problems or try to see if we can get good connection to conduct our classes. That should be done out of your class. Please keep that in mind. And here's situation 3. Some tutors may got complained for not focus on their classes. What you should do here, please don't do anything else during the class. Once you get a message from your CS or TM, please send having a class now and then reply them later. Here, for example, for a tutor here, earlier today, I sent her, hello, I've closed a vacant slot at 6 PM. What happened? Because CS just notified me that the tutor got some problem. Then she got very quick answer to my questions. As you can see, in the same minute. That's exactly what you should do. Though you don't have to be that complicated or detailed. You can just tell me, I don't feel well, now I'm with the student, or something wrong with my QQ or anything. Even you're making your effort to try to conduct the class, please do not just lose contact, or the CS may cancel more classes. And what you must not do in the class: first, please do not eat or drink in the class. Second, please do not use your mobile phone. I know some tutors may have to check their may have to check their data usage, or sometimes try to check their Wi-Fi hotspot. But please explain to a student clearly that there's something wrong with my internet. I need to use my cell phone to help the teaching, or there can be misunderstanding and the student may file you a complaint. And the third one, please do not talk or chat to others during the class, even to our kids. I know some tutors here, they got their own kids in their house, and sometimes the kids are really naughty. They're just hopping around. But please do not get your focus away from the class, or it can be deadly. You will see a penalty. Alright. For situation 4, technical issues. And this is most commonly issues for all tutors, I suppose, because all tutors may encounter some problems in their QQ, Skype, or e-classroom sometimes. Alright, I'll tell you how to check your teaching tools. First, QQ. Select this option. You can see a gear. Click it and select the last tag. And then you can see 2 different bars and 2 different buttons. The first one is for you to test your microphone. Click it, say something. You should be able to hear yourself. Alright, for the second one. If you can hear the sound play by QQ, it means your devices are doing pretty well. Then as for camera, you can click this button and see if your camera is connected, or you still need to readjust it. And you can select in this list here if you would like to use some other cameras, because some tutors may have built-in camera in your computer as a backup, or sometimes if your webcam is broken, then you can switch to other cameras. If you click this one, it means disable all cameras. Please don't do it. Please do not select the last option in this list. And for Skype, actually it's easier. Here, click this button, you can see option. Sorry for that, my Skype is in Chinese. But I suppose you know where it is. So here you can see the icon here, a headset, it means audio equipment. Then you can test your microphone, you can see the volume change here, and you can test your audio receiver, which means your headset, if you can hear anything. Play, then you should be able to hear the sound play via Skype. If not, please plug out and re-plug in your device. And for audio, please click this option. Here, there's an icon of camera, and you can see right now I'm not in the right position, so I'm still trying to change the position, the place of my camera. Or if you want to change more things like brightness or sharpness or something, please use this one, but it's unnecessary in most cases. And for eClassroom, so far there's not too many ways for us to evaluate like your connection or something, but please tell your tutor manager to do a test lesson with you, just 30 minutes in length. Like, your tutor manager can just book a class, use their test account, and you can see in your class table that this class is doing via eClassroom. Then see if you can get in via link, or you have to get in via the external access. Sorry, this one here, this one, Classroom. Once you click it, it will ask you for your username and password. But don't worry, your username is your tutor name in Acadsoc, and password, you will receive it from your tutor manager if there's a test lesson. Alright, that's for the first one. Let's move on. For the second one, when you think it's a student's technical problems, not yours, please contact CS, even it's your loyal student, because this company cannot run based on anyone saying. We must have a third party or have very persuasive evidence. The third party here is CS. Once you tell CS a connection is bad, then CS will do a test call with you and the student, and then CS will tell you this class will be cancelled because of your problem or the students. What you shouldn't do. First one, please don't find the teaching tools, microphone or the camera not working until the class time. That will be too late and you will see massive amount of cancellation and penalty. Second one, please do not contact CS or don't provide essential information once you encounter technical issues. Please, in your class, if you encounter any issues, please tell CS before you tell your tutor manager, because your tutor managers have to retell CS after you telling them. If there's no reply from CS, that's not your fault. Alright, so that will be all from this part on how to get rid of possible complaints. If we find out more types of possible complaints received from tutors, I'll record more video recordings to help you get rid of those complaints. See you and good luck to your classes. Thank you.